Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to search for Discord servers on your mobile device. To do this, first of all, open up your Discord app. So after you've opened up your Discord app, on the left side you'll see a button that says plus. Tap on the plus button. So once you've tapped on that button, a new page will appear, and this page usually helps you to create your own server. But at the bottom you'll see an option that says join a server. Tap on the join a server button. And here you can join a server using an invite link or a student hub. But if you want to explore servers, the option is not there on the Discord app. So what you need to do is close the Discord app, open up your browser, and search for Discover Discord servers. And on the search results, usually on the top, you will find the main web page to discover Discord servers. Click on that link. And here you can see different Discord servers that you can join. So to join, all you have to do is tap on them, and then you'll see an option that says join server. Tap on the join server button, and then this will redirect you to your Discord app, and a button will appear saying accept invite. Tap on the accept invite button to join the server. And there you have it. You've joined the Discord server by searching for it online. So this is how you search for servers on your Discord app. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.